everyone, welcome to the Great Life DIY home decor. In this video today we're going to be decorating with Dollar Tree items. So come on with me, guys. Alright, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I found my cloche. We did have the cloche collab, but I could not find these little cloches. So I think I did see one, but this is the one I wanted to use because I had already embellished it with this, I'm wiping it down, guys, with this, the purple ribbon and this little greenery, and also this piece right here, which is really one of the wooden Christmas trees. I'm using it as a little top knob. And these are the cloches from the Dollar Tree, guys. Okay, so I'm just trying to clean this off, and then, no, okay, doesn't look that, oh, it just kind of looks scratched there for a minute. All right, so the Dollar Tree's also carrying these, and these are glitter hearts. They're usually vase fillers. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to decorate the inside of this cloche, okay? And we're going to place these hearts in there because they're so beautiful. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom, okay, from the top. And look how beautiful that looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. And you could do this with the red. It's just that I wanted to do it with the pink because of the ribbon. And see how absolutely beautiful that is? I didn't have to do much just to have it decorated. And this cloche is small enough that you can use this in a tray. You can use this in a tier tray or a vignette tray. But I'm loving it, guys. So you see what you can use. You know, you can just utilize so many different things just by using your imagination. And so this, I thought, was really pretty. I had DIY'd and hot glued the greenery on the side. I put the bow on top, and then I put that little wooden tree which comes out during Christmas. I painted it in white, and that became the knob or the top half of that cloche. So for $1, let's say $2.50, I'm not going to count the stuff I already had because there were scraps in my stash. And this, literally, this decor piece was only $2. Guys, $2 and $1.25, and then the cloche I got for $1. I've had it that long, so $2.50, guys. I made a cute little decor piece, and it was just that simple. And when we're starting out doing DIYs, we need to do some easy stuff so we can feel more confident to go ahead and take another step up and move up. Concerning the, you know, how we decorate, because that's how I started with the little small stuff, and I really like this. I seen it, and I seen somebody do this before, and you can use any vase filler. The Dollar Tree has the vase fillers with the little lips and the hearts and the, and you can even mix the gems if you want to use gems. You can even use, you know, the stone if you want to. Got to be careful because this is plastic, but they just make such great decor pieces, and I thought I would share this little simple little DIY with you. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.